Now today I will tell you about the VI characteristics of LDR. First of all, LDR stands for the light dependent resistor, and this is the setup of the LDR. Characteristics: this contains the setting voltage, power supply, voltmeter, milliammeter, LDR. Here is the LDR. See, in the light dependent resistor, this is your LDR that we are having. Now I will just close the cabin of that, and this is your light source. This is your light source. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to just give the power supply by switching it on, and then for my practical I am just keeping it at 4 voltage. Before that I will tell you about the circuitry. See, it is voltmeter. Voltmeter negative is connected with the voltmeter negative. Voltmeter negative, and its positive is connected with the positive. That is red with red and black with black. For the milliammeter, we have taken positive with positive and negative with negative. Means voltmeter and ammeter will be connected in series, and then LDR power supply will go in the LDR power supply. So I will just set the voltmeter reading to 4. To 4. See, it's moving over here, and I will just set it to 4. And then what I will do, I will just make the LDR and source distance to be 5 centimeter. See, this with the help of the scale I am keeping the LDR at 70. This is 70, and then at 75 I am keeping it to have the distance between the LDR and the light source. At this particular voltage is my 4. Now what is the value of the current? The value of the current is 6.2 around. This is your first value for the LDR. At 5 centimeter we are having constant voltage for 4 volt, and the current value is 6.2 around. Then I will increase the value of the distance between the LDR and the source. Suppose I am keeping it at 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter I have kept it. Now see, the voltage is constant that I have kept, and the current value has just shifted to 2.5. So the 3. It is 3 milliampere. Then I will again increase the distance to 85. That is at 15 centimeter. See, I have kept it 70 and it is 15 centimeter. So now the value of the current is around 2 milliampere. So likewise we will just calculate the value, and then you have to make the tabular column like this: serial number, distance, voltmeter reading and ammeter reading, and then you will write the particular values of the particular parameter, and you have to calculate the resistance in kilo ohm. By this calculation you will get the dark resistance as infinity, and LDR characteristics will be plotted as shown in the graph. Okay. Now let us come to know that what is dark resistance. For the dark resistance you have to switch off the power supply. This is the graph that I am showing you over here. On the x-axis and the y-axis, there is the y-axis is the current and x-axis is the value of the voltage. Now for the dark resistance, I will just, it means that the current should be 0 and there should be, the resistance should be infinity for the particular voltage. So what I have to make? I have to make this LDR to be out of the alignment. See, as I have made the, as it was aligned, it was showing some value for the current. Clear? It is aligned and it is showing some value for the current. It is showing some value for the current. Now as the LDR is removed See, the current has just fallen to 0. So, and the voltage is again for 4 volt. So, 4 upon 0 is equal to infinity. That is your dark resistance when light is not falling on the LDR. It has misalignment. This is the condition for dark resistance. So, this was about the practical for the LDR. Thank you.